Hello programmer. Today I will discuss Codeforces Round 892 C number problem, another permutation problem. The problem description given that given a under the test case you are given a positive integer n. The n means you have n length permutation array. n length uh, n length permutation array. Suppose permutation, what is permutation array? Permutation array means you are n integer number 1 to n exactly on time, 1 to n exactly on time. Suppose you are given 4, that means you are given 1 2 3 4, that means 1 on times, 2 on times, 3 on times, and 4 on times, and there is no duplicate element. So 1 2 3 4 is permutation array, and this is also 4 3 2 1 is permutation array, because any you can 1 2 3 4 permute any position. Now the problem description given that the maximum value which is possible, maximum cost among all permutation of length n. Find the maximum cost among all permutation of length n, and this is the আমাদের our maximum permutation cost. That means the expression, that means if you insert permutation 1 2 3 4 for 4 length permutation array under the 1 position, 2 position, 3rd position, and 4th position, then the expression value of the expression is 1 into 1. That means pi into I. Pi means the element, and I means position. Then element and element into position. That means 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 2 4 plus 3 into 3 9 plus 4 into 4 16. But you subtract the maximum pi dot z. Pi dot z, that means this is I, first element and first element, second index and second element, third index and third element. Means index and element which is maximum, then we subtract the element, then we subtract 16, then our value is 9 plus 4 plus 1, that means 14. But this is not maximum, but the problem description given the print the maximum cost among all permutation of length n. This is a permutation array, but this is the expression value is not maximum. If you use 1 2 3 4, and this is the position, and the position and permutation you use 1 2 4 3, then the value of expression 1 plus 2 into 2 4 plus 4 into 3 12 plus 4 into 3 12, and you subtract the maximum value of pi dot pj, pj dot I, pj dot j. That means 4 and 3, or 3 and 4, that means 12, and then the value subtract, then and your maximum value is on 4 12, means 17, and this is the maximum value. Now how can you solve the problem? You solve the problem using a trick. Suppose you are given 10 element. Suppose simple example, you are given five element, that means you have given 5, then if the permutation array is 1 2 3 4 5, we see that the maximum value for 4 is 17. Then if 5, then we use 1 2 3 5 4 trick. But this is always not maximum. You also take reverse, more reverse the array, then the array is 1 2 5 4 3. This is also not maximum for any array, then you use on previous reverse, then you use on 5 4 3 2. This also not maximum, and then you use 5 totally reverse 5 4 3 2 on. That means on index number on and element is 5, index 2 element 4, you can use it. Then and which is maximum, we print the our maximum value. Suppose this is this is my code. Simply you use on 2 3 4 permutation. You firstly you use on to n minus 1. That means 3 times we use the calculation 3 times. 3 times, that means 1 2 4 3. First reverse, third element, second reverse 1 4 3 2. Second reverse the the previous element, means 2. Then we use 4 3 2 on the first position, and this is totally reverse. And every time we calculate the index into position, and and the maximum element, and subtract the maximum element, and which is maximum, then we print our output, and this is the maximum. Suppose we use beyond, and firstly we insert two vector v1 and v2. Then you insert the ith on to I minus 1 beyond, and then you insert v2 I to n. That means you firstly if I equal to 1, then the beyond is no element is insert, then so v2 equal on to 3 4 on to 3 4, and we reverse the array, then the array is 4 3 2 1, and we add the beyond uh, from v2. Then the element is, the array is beyond is 4 3 2 1, and then we use temporary two variable answer and max, two temporary variable equal to 0, and then we use the position and the element, sum position into element, and the you and we calculate the maximum, and then every time update the sum value, and you can use sum minus max, and every time the update sum value, and the last I print the sum, and that is the maximum possible for the permutation. And this is my answer. I hope you will understand the problem, and if you don't understand, please um, comment the comment section. And thank you, welcome.